Prep 1, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Chemical Equation and Chemical Reaction. Okay. What is meant by chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is breaking down bonds in reactant molecule and forming new bond in products. Examples of chemical reaction: when we react some amount of magnesium with oxygen or burn magnesium ribbon in oxygen, it will give magnesium oxide. 2 Mg plus O2 by heating give 2 MgO. How this reaction occur? By heating, the double covalent bond between oxygen molecule has broken down. Each oxygen atom join with magnesium atom, forming new bond in magnesium oxide. What is meant by chemical equation? Chemical equation is set of samples and chemical formula that represents reactants, products, and reaction conditions. Any chemical equation consists of 3 parts: reactants, products, and reaction condition. Chemical equation must be balanced. We have a very important note here. Number of atoms in reactants must be equal number of atoms in the products. Mass of reactants must be equal mass of products. It will lead to law of constant ratio. What is meant by law of constant ratio? It means that the chemical compound is formed from combination of its element by constant weight ratio. Examples: atomic mass of magnesium equal 24 grams, and the atomic mass of oxygen equals 16 grams. So, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, it will give magnesium oxide. It will be, we have 2 atoms of magnesium in the magnesium molecule. So, we will multiply 2 by 24. And we have 2 atoms of oxygen molecule, so we will multiply 2 by 16. So the reactant mass will be 80 grams. And the product mass will be 2 and open brackets Mg mass 24, oxygen mass 16. So 24 plus 16, the result by 2 will be 80. So the mass of reactants in chemical equation must be equal mass of products. So this equation is balanced. How many types of chemical reaction? The type will study direct combination reaction. Direct combination reaction has 3 kinds. The first one, combination between element and element, as non-metal with non-metal, like reaction between carbon and oxygen will give carbon dioxide. Hydrogen with chlorine will give hydrochloric acid. Reaction element with element may be metal with non-metal, as magnesium with oxygen will give magnesium oxide. The second kind of direct reaction, compound with compound, is ammonia with hydrochloric ammonia is combined with hydrochloric acid will give ammonium chloride NH4Cl. The third kind of direct combination, element and compound. Element is oxygen and compound is carbon monoxide. It will give 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Elements like oxygen will react with compound NO will give 2NO2. Chemical reaction in our life. Chemical reaction is very important in our life. Why? Because we can use it to transfer the less used substance as some reactants into or change into in useful substance the products. Number 2, used as a source of electrical and heat energy, used in most modern industries as manufacture of fertilizers, fuel, car batteries, plastic industries, and food industries. Negative effects of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction has many negative effects. The first type, fuel burning. Fuel burning produces 2 types of gases, carbon dioxide gas and carbon monoxide gas. They increase in air temperature, act as greenhouses because it allows passing of thermal rays from sun to earth and never let them to return back. So, increasing the ratio of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in air lead to increase the temperature of air. It means the effect of greenhouse gases. Also, increasing the ratio of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in air lead to headache, fainting, stomach ache, and many may be led to death. Number 2, sulfur oxides SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3. They are acidic gases, have many problems as building corrosion. Nitric oxide NO, nitrogen dioxide NO2, they are also acidic gases resulted from lightning and they are poisonous. They have a bad effect on nervous system and bad effect on eyes. The last one, burning of coal and siliceous fibers causing air pollution and lung cancer.